What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakash from AceFoxLeo channel. Today we are going to talk about the latest M1 iMac 2021 which is Apple released on April 2021. In this video I'm going to share with you all what's new in this iMac 2021, which is also called by the latest M1 iMac. If you want to know more details about the latest M1 iMac, please watch this video until the end. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to notify whenever I upload a new video in your newsfeed. So let's dive into the topic. Okay, first, the latest M1 iMac, which is include the latest chip that Apple is currently using after the Intel, which is the M1 series. In this chipset, which is also have two variants iMac, which is 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU, and 8-core CPUs and 8-core GPU. We will talk about details in a few minutes. Okay, this iMac also, which is come with 24-inch display with 4.5K retina with 218 pixel per inch, followed by 500 nits brightness and white color P3. And they also include True Tone technology, which is perfectly fine for the iMac. This iMac also come up with 8GB of RAM or 16GB of RAM, which is unified RAM. Before you purchase, you have to confirm which is the perfect amount of RAM for your usage. And this iMac also include 1080p Full HD FaceTime camera, which is great. They also claim there is a two types of keyboard, which is now they release alongside with the latest M1 iMac, which is Magic Keyboard without Touch ID. Second is Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. This one is good because Magic Keyboard with Touch ID can be used for secure. You can you can make a payment or anything with a secure using your templates. The storage also you can configure up to 2 TB. And the cool interesting facts are here. The latest M1 iMac, which is now includes 7 vibrant color, that's amazing, which is silver, pink, yellow, orange, purple, green and blue. That is cool because in this world we all have a different choices of colors. For example, if you choose me, I will go for purple. If you're choosing, maybe you will go for green or blue or yellow or orange. That is based on the person own interest of the colors. This is the new way of marketing. Great Apple, great. This is a basic new features they include. After that, the performance of the base model, which is 8 cores of CPU, which is 4 cores of performance and 4 cores of efficiency, and 7 core of GPU and 16 neural engine cores with 256 GB of storage. The second choices are 8 cores of CPU with 4 core of performance and 4 cores of efficiency and 8 cores of GPU, 16 cores of neural engine, 256 GB, 512 GB and upgradable until 2 TB. And this iMac also support external display up to 6K resolution at 60 Hz. Okay, in the audio part, they claim to be high fidelity 6 speaker with force cancelling woofer system and wide stereo sound, support for spatial audio when playing with Dolby Atmos, and it also have studio quality 3 microphone array with high signal to noise on directional beamforming. this is a game changer. Okay, the connection and expansion, which is also be known as ports. Okay, in this iMac, we have display port, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, USB 3.1, and Thunderbolt 2, HDMI, DVI, and VGA supported using adapters, which is also sold separately. Okay, in this iMac, the microphone socket, which is also called as a microphone audio jack port, they put it on the side because the iMac, which is 11.5 millimeter thick, you cannot put the audio jack into the iMac from back. Now you have to put it from side. This is a brilliant idea from Apple. As I mentioned before, this iMac also come up with Magic Keyboard with mouse and also Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and mouse. You can purchase either one of these. The wireless are as usual. There's no new difference because they support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. The weight of this iMac is 4.46 kg on the base model and 4.48 kg on the second, or we call as an upgraded version. Okay, what you will get whenever you purchase a iMac, what's in the box? Okay, this is the if you buy the base model iMac, you will get iMac with Magic Keyboard alongside with Magic Mouse, and we also have a 143-watt charging adapter with USB Type-C to Lightning cable for the base model. And then for the upgraded version, or which is called also upgraded version, it's easy for you to understand. On that version, you will get exactly the same which is I mentioned now, but you will have extra one which is Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. Okay guys, until this is the video, I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon to notify whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for support. If you like my video content, please hit the like button, and you appreciate my work, please share it to your friends and family. And thanks for support. We will see you in my next video. Until then, peace out from Prakash from AceFoxLeo channel. See you all in my next video. Take care guys. Stay safe and please wear mask wherever you go. I hope you all stay safe. Till then, see you all in my next video. Peace out.